Hey guys, hope you're having a better day than what I'm getting ready to have. I found a yellowjacket's nest under the chicken coop. Yes, seriously. It's in this hay bale right here. And that's not going to work because this little door right here is what I opened to get eggs out for those 3 chickens that are in there. So I have no choice. I've got to get rid of that nest. The way I'm going to do it is a way that a lot of you all probably have never heard of before. I have just your ordinary garden sprayer, and I have water, and I have Dawn dish soap in there. I have probably 4 tablespoons or so, just enough to make it nice and blue and sudsy. The suds are going to get on their wings, and honestly, it'll drown them or suffocate. I've done this before with wasps and other yellowjackets nests and other places, but today, folks, it's under my chicken coop. So I don't know how much of it you'll be able to see, but I'm going to bring you along and show you everything that the camera will pick up. Yeah. Alright, here we go. This was pumped up really good a while ago. So I'm going to start by spraying and hopefully get some of them first. I don't know how many entrances that they have got for this because they're in a disintegrated hay bale. And we pump up again before I drag it out. None of these things work like they used to. Alright guys, here comes the fun part. And there's one starting to come out. There they are. I don't know if this is catching it or not. I hope it is. There's not a huge amount right here, but I know there'll be more. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them coming up there now. Okay, and we pump again. Don't take long to spray a gallon, guys, let me tell you. Okay. They're not really in this hay right here, so that means they must be over in here. There's some more activity on the ground up here. Seen that on the hay. I think they were just going through the hay to get underneath. Had one hit my head. Spray some more. There's still probably 10 or 12 over there flying around at least. Okay, I'm out of soapy water, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video now and go refill. But I think I have the majority of them. Thankfully it wasn't a huge nest. I wasn't sure. But I know that there'll still be a few strays coming around, and I'll have to come back out multiple times tonight or this evening and today and spray again. There's some. Ooh, there's several of them there now, about 4 or 5. Maybe I can see where they're going to try to go in at. As of yet, they're just flying. I can't see an entry point. And they can't either. That's the problem. So I need to go get some more soap and get rid of these things, because I sure cannot have yellow jackets underneath where my chickens are, because this little door right here is where the eggs are, and it's where they roost. So that's just not kosher. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.